So
it
beginning
kind of worked out nicely for
it
you,
worked out very well. What a silver lining. I know. I'm very, very lucky that that happened and it worked out because it couldn't have. And it was just a little bit on a quim. On a quim, is that the right
Whim.
word? Whim, not a quim.
No.
What's a quim?
Yeah. No. And also, you've...
The band was really kind of like my... I say gateway, but it sounds bad, but gateway into, like, UK garage, because I used to love a bit of UK garage.
And you're clearly a little bit on edge. Now, you may have heard a word Poppy used a little bit earlier. She generally didn't know what it meant. I will explain to her, I promise, what it means after this show. So apologies for everyone who did know about that at home. Doesn't matter. I shall tell you later. Let's go back to your love of Mystique.
Am I getting cancelled? What have I done?